So there was a lot of snow here recently. And when I say a lot, like I'm talking like a lot. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna go check out the boulevard and maybe some other places, so you can kind of see what this snow did. It's pretty crazy stuff. I hope you're prepared.
We weren't.
We sure weren't. Things like this are particularly sad. Lots of this kind of thing going on lately. Anybody with a chainsaw has the opportunity to make quite a bit of money. These ain't bushes. But this has some image stabilization. Sideways tree fell down. That's not the way your tree goes. You need to put it back up. So yeah, there's some stuff. Lots of stuff. We weren't kidding. We weren't kidding at all. It had some warning, but it caught a lot of people unaware. And it was one of those, you're trapped in your house for a good couple of days, and you start to go a little bonkers. So yeah.
But a lot of people didn't have power.
And a lot of people didn't have power for a long time.
Still don't have power.
Yep. A lot of people still don't have power. And yet again, this happened on Friday. It's Wednesday today. Almost been a full week without power. I had to pull over because we're not going fast enough for people. We're annoying them. What? Just ran over a big limb in the road. Still lots of snow around. Yeah, the blizzard was last Friday. It's Wednesday today. So, And it's been, you know, pretty good temperatures overall. That's a big old pile of snow. I guess par just got raised a bit. Someone's got to play around the tree trap. Lots of craziness. So, when you got a lot of stuff in your truck, where do you go? Do you go to the dump? No! Do you go to the grocery store? Nope. No, you don't. You go to the place where people drop off things and drive like dicks. Yep. Look at that. That is some, there's some rims. Lots of people all of a sudden have lawn service spray painted on their vehicles and such.
I got it, Nate. Ready?
And, yeah. So, Rapid City and a lot of the Black Hills has a lot of trees and stuff in it now where they shouldn't be. That guy's moving things around. Anyway, yeah, okay, bye!